Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Chanel Holiday 2020 collection. I just picked up these 3 items, so let's get started. First item I picked up is the Chanel nail polish. This is the limited edition. Shade number is 773. So let's open it up. So this is the beautiful gold shade. I think this is good for the holiday season. It's a little bit yellowish, but pretty sparkle and shiny. Here you can see the real color on my nails. I just applied 2 coats and it looks like that. And second item I can show you is the eyeshadow palette. It's a single eyeshadow. Number is 926. When you open it up, it came with this velvet pouch. When you open, eyeshadow tips, and this shade is very sparkle, and you can see this Chanel chain pattern. Here. Let me try to do the swatch. Very shiny and pigmented. You can see this gold type of glitter, not too much. So pretty. I think it's so pretty and good for the holiday season. Even you can use every day. And here is the last item I got. This is the illuminating blush powder. This is the limited edition as well. Came with this velvet pouch. Let's open. Here is the little half moon brush. Came with very soft and easy to use. I like it. So shiny and pretty. This one also has the CC logo chain type of pattern. Hopefully you can see the color. Let me try the swatch for you. I'm gonna use my finger. And this is so pretty. Very shiny, sparkly. You can see all the gold glitter with pinkish color shade. Let me try one more time. Very nice. Okay, these are my mini unboxing video for you. Let me know what product do you like most and what you got from this year collection. So hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on my next video. Bye!